Hello and welcome to Chronically Overdressed. I am super excited about today's video. I am going to do an unboxing of my Royal Treasure Chest box. This is the very first box I have received from them. I have not opened it yet, so this is a completely blind unboxing. While I was surfing the interwebs a few weeks ago, I came across this subscription box, the Royal Treasure Chest, and I'd never heard of it before. I'd heard of some other vintage subscription boxes, but this one was really intriguing to me because it has 8 different categories that you can choose from, or you can do like a surprise box. And while most of the subscription boxes are clothing or jewelry, this one is antiques as well. So they offer like old books, they have knick-knacks, paper ephemera, ladies accessories, gentlemen's accessories. They do have jewelry and some tie bars and cufflinks. I thought it was really interesting to get a combination of things, of housewares and also, you know, possibly some jewelry and books. So I wanted to try this new subscription box, and so I got there's 3 different levels you can do. I think it's $15 for 1 item, $40 for 3 items, and $60 for 5 items. And of course, you know, I have to go big, so I went ahead and got the 5 items for my subscription. Let's go ahead and open up the box and see what we've got inside. Okay, so this is what the box looks like open. I have a little postcard on here that says, "I shall be glad to see you." This is interesting, and it has, "Do you think that we will," I don't know what that says. "Do you think that we will something like this?" I don't know. If anybody else can read that, please let me know what that says. But it is very cute, a cute little postcard. I don't know when this is from, but it is adorable. And I have a little letter here as well. I will read you. "On a cold December morning, we headed out to Waynesburg, Pennsylvania. Waynesburg is a small town just above West Virginia. The snow was falling and we were bundled up against the weather. It was much colder than expected, but we were lucky enough to sit next to some folks who had brought their own propane heater and offered to share their heat. We were so glad. The house was located in the middle of the town, and we sat in the middle of the street, which had been closed off for the auction. Inside the house, bulging at the seams with more treasures than we could look at one time allotted. We were able to rescue some vintage and antique clothing and hats, both men's and women's, a wonderful array of books, electronics, and lots of personal and vanity items from 3 generations who had lived in this wonderful old house. Once we left, it took a long time for our toes to warm up, but it was well worth the effort for all of the wonderful treasures we rescued." So one of the things that I like about this, well, first of all, the company is from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, which is where my husband and his family are from. So I have a close connection there. But from their website, they describe that they go to estate sales, they go to flea markets and vintage stores in the area surrounding them, and this is where they find all of their stuff. So it seems more personal to me, I guess. So I'm very excited to see what is in this box here. Okay, so the first item looks like it's some sort of, maybe it's a tie. It feels like, oh, it's a little scarf. Oh, I like this. That's really pretty. And we have a little tag on here, made in Japan. Interesting. 100% polyester, made in Japan. That's lovely. All right. And we have a little bag of something. Oh, it looks like a necklace. Yes. Oh, this is great. We have a 2-strand kind of faux pearl. It has a little bit of crystals on there. That's really cute. Put that on right now. Ooh, it's a little tight. Let's see if I can get this on. Here, it's a little tight for me, but I think I can make it work. Very cute. Okay, third item. Oh, looks like we have a tie. Nice. This actually goes really well with the scarf. So we have, it's a completely cut at the bottom, which is really nice. This looks kind of a 60s, let's see, fabric imported from Italy. That's all it has on there. There's no other tag on there. So it looks like looks kind of like a 60s tie. But I like the colors, the brown. It's got little bit of orange in there as well. Very cute. Okay, we have item number 4. I love their little stickers. Have a little light post on there. Very nicely packaged. Ooh. It's like, it's a Japanese painting. Framed painting, yep, made in Japan. It looks like it's actually 2 tiles put together. Yeah, they're cut there. It's 2 tiles put together into this lovely little frame. Very, very cute. I like that. It's got, I don't know if you can see the gold, kind of gold shimmer on there. That's really neat. Very pretty. Okay, and we have a magazine. We have The Household magazine from August of 1938. The Household magazine. Oh, that's interesting. Arthur Capper publisher. I have never heard of this magazine before. Have an ad for Jell-O. That's the first ad on here. Looks like it's coming apart. I'll have to take photographs of this so I can better show you. This is really interesting. I love these old magazines because of the, mostly because of the ads. I really enjoy the ads that are in here. Well, that was fun. So yes, so I've got a couple of, obviously I've got jewelry, I have a tie, I have a scarf, I have a framed tile, it's not really a picture, and a magazine. So that was really fun. So I'm going to be getting these once a month now, and as long as, you know, as long as they're working well, I will continue to get the 5 items so we can see exactly what kinds of stuff they have to offer. And I'll continue to do these unboxings so you can see what kind of fun stuff we get. But I will put all of the information down in the description below for their website. I'm not paid for this at all. This was something, like I said, I just kind of came across their website and, you know, was really intrigued by it and wanted to, you know, support a business that that sells vintage and antique items. So maybe you want to go check them out and see if they have something that that inspires you. Thanks so much for watching, and hopefully I will do another one of these unboxings when I get my next Royal Treasure Chest box. Bye.